Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger online not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger online not showing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about Messenger and you will enter in this window. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage and we click. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. So goodbye.